The Inspector General of CRPF Akhilesh Prasad Singh expressed grief over the tragic incident in Bishnupur, Manipur, where two Central Reserve Police Force personnel were killed in an attack by armed militants on their outpost on April 27. He revealed that a large number of CRPF personnel had been deployed in the area over the past year, undertaking a variety of duties. This marked the first attack on their remote camp. Singh vowed to identify the perpetrators and assured that they would be brought to justice soon. Speaking to media, CRPF IG Akhilesh Prasad Singh said, "There are few people who have this kind of thinking, who have anti-national or anti-social thinking. Most people are good people. They do not want this kind of environment to exist. There is a small group who have such thinking. It is my hope that gradually they will also understand this and they will also join the mainstream." And as far as weapons are concerned, they have weapons. Some are locally made, some have come from outside, some have been looted. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh condemned the attack on Indian security forces that led to the unfortunate demise of two Central Reserve Police Force personnel in the Naran Sena region of Bishnupur district. Singh labeled the assault as an attack of cowardice against the committed security forces who are working relentlessly to maintain peace and stability in the state. He assured that their sacrifice will not be forgotten.
हाँ, ये हम सभी के लिए बड़ा दुखद था और पिछले एक वर्ष से सीआरपीएफ की काफ़ी संख्या में यहाँ डिप्लॉयमेंट रही और बहुत तरह की ड्यूटीज हम करते रहे हैं। ये पहली बार ऐसा हुआ कि हमारे दूर दराज के कैंप के ऊपर यूजीज ने अटैक किया और कैंप का लोकेशन ऐसा कुछ था कि उनको मदद मिल गई कैंप के अंदर घुसकर हमें नुकसान पहुंचाने में। इस बात का हमें दुख है। साथ ही साथ मैं ये भी कहना चाहता हूं कि हम पता करेंगे कौन थे और उनको बहुत जल्द